Are you struggling to keep up with rapidly evolving customer demands as everything around you goes digital? To deal with this, you need an excellent digital customer service team. This video will guide you through the ultimate presentation on the upgraded version of digital customer service. If you want to empower your team to make customer-focused decisions, download this presentation from the link below. This is your guide to understanding the fundamental concepts of digital customer service and how it can add value to your business. It will revolutionize how you engage with your customers in the digital age. Discover why digital customer service surpasses traditional methods. Also, internalize the driving forces behind digital transformation in customer service. For more practical insights, this presentation features a well-structured diagram highlighting significant statistical changes in digital customer service. Ready to establish a strong foundation for the concept of digital customer service? Download it now for long-term success. Dive deep into the world of digital customer service with our template. Explore the digital customer journey and critical areas to consider and gain insights from a comprehensive maturity model. This presentation has everything you need to provide top-notch customer service. Unlock the secrets to effective digital customer service by exploring the pillars of success across multiple channels, including emails, social media, mobile apps, and more. This slide explains the three pillars: on-screen communication, collaboration, and automation, making it easier than ever to understand and implement. If you want to stay on top of the customer service game, it's time to download this template without delay. Experience even more value with the path-breaking concept of social media listening, presented in a well-structured diagram that makes it easy to understand and implement. For more popular resources on customer support and service, visit www.slideteam.net.